In this video, we're going to be replacing an air filter in a 1991 Mazda Miata.
Step 2. Grab your bread. Step 3. Get your peanut butter and your jelly.
Here's a second cup.
Take your Aztec clay.
Coming right back at you, babe.
And as you can see, I love this stuff and I use it a lot. It's already almost gone, but we're just going to use a little bit that we have left for a spot treatment.
So after I stir the milk mixture, we have the eggs. To be safe with the eggs.
So there's a thumbs up. Look, I'm not really good at this, okay? So it's just thumbs up.
Once that is removed, grab firmly with both hands and wiggle back and forth.
Do you want to know how to make secret popcorn without burning it? Well, here's what you'll need. You'll just need a microwave and obviously the
Peanut butter. Step 5. Jelly.
Definitely soft now. Spread it from edge to edge on bread.
But we won't be using this yet. We'll be using this later. After about 2 minutes of boiling,
Take your 1/4 teaspoon and put your Aztec clay in your non-metal bowl. You're going to do this 4 times.
The last of the egg mixture into this costume.
Step 2, get the game.
Next, we're going to be removing these 6 screws around the airbox to take the top off to access the filter.
And you're going to go ahead and run it under the water. Put your water into the teaspoon. And you're going to do this 2 times. And you're going to go ahead and put this into your non-metal bowl with the rest of your ingredients.
open up the popcorn so the bag can properly expand while in the microwave.
Step 6. Sandwich.
Check to make sure you're not burning the bottom side. Flip.
Your Aztec clay mash should look like this. It should get pretty hard.
He has a little angry face. Is he gonna get the Battle Royale? Oh my god, there's only 2 people on the opposite team, and there's only 1 on this one. What are they gonna do?
we're gonna go ahead and apply the seasoning now.
And this is really up to you how much or how little you want to use.
Lift the box straight up and then remove the filter by pulling it from the top.
Now that they're all golden and crispy,
Congratulations, you have successfully made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.